The SKR Mini E3 V3.0 kit is a comprehensive upgrade solution for FDM 3D printers, notably enhancing the functionality of machines like the Ender-3 and Voron 2.4. Utilizing the latest STMicroelectronics G0 series main control chip, the SKR Mini E3 V3.0 offers improved performance and cooling efficiency, crucial for extended 3D printing tasks. The BTT Pi module is powered by a robust quad-core processor with 1 GB of memory, facilitating seamless DIY enhancements and connectivity options. Thanks to the TFT35 SPI LCD display's streamlined design, users experience a more intuitive and straightforward operation with its efficient communication modes. The Smart Filament Runout Sensor V2.0 is a valuable addition, effectively detecting extrusion issues and minimizing downtime due to filament problems. Overall, this kit provides a significant performance boost and reliability improvements for both hobbyist and professional 3D printing enthusiasts.